Oh, sorry, guys. I forgot I was recording. Whoops. Alright, this is Animal Crossing Part 2. And that guy in there, which is Tom, the raccoon, told us to get our uniform on. And my clothes look different because it got corrupted. The save file got corrupted. So, yeah. So, I had to restart. But I still have all the same things except for different clothes. And this is the uniform. It looks like a piece of crap. Alright, I have your uniform on, you raccoon. Wait, hold up. Whoops. Oh, whoop, whoop. No, never mind. Don't show that. First, I'll plant some greenie around my store. Alright, let's plant these saplings. Hopefully, I know how to do this right. Yeah, so hard. There we go. Now it's time for... Wait, whoops. I think I accidentally stopped it. Oh well. Now I just have to get that sapling right there. Boom, done and done. Let's talk to this raccoon again. Need help? Press start, blah 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 blah. I can't believe you didn't even... Dude, I already did it. I was right, you are a raccoon. Ugh, raccoon. Dude, I already planned all this stuff. Did you just give me more saplings? Ugh, this guy wants me... Dang it. I tried so many different times. But I have no idea what this guy means. This is just hard. Alright. Let's see if I still have any more of these things. I don't have any more of these things. Why the heck does he still want me to work? Nope. I did all my stuff already, so... Gotta tell this guy that I did all the stuff. No, I don't need help. Oh my gosh. Dude, I already planted all your plants. So messed up. I have no other more plants. Fish cut. Need to cut no feet. No cut no dick. I'm about to freak out. Yep, I'm about to freak out. Well, I think I'm just gonna end it here until I figure out what this guy still wants, so bye.